My name is Malcolm Prescott and Managing Director of Webber's Property Services, and I'm here today with David Tythcott, and Dave will introduce himself in a moment. We're here today in a Pearce Home, and we're at Tor Wharf, and as a business we have three schemes that we're selling for Pearce at the moment here at Tor Wharf. We've got some remaining, Buckland Brewer, a lovely site and in a nice village location, and also Market Gardens in Torrington. But we're here today to talk to David, who is what I would call a loyal customer of Pearce Homes, and really just to talk about this whole thing of buying new property and why buy new properties and the quality of what you get with a Pearce Home. So what first drew you to buying a Pearce Home, David?
New build, energy efficient, quality, low maintenance. We've been there for more than 12 months now.
Yeah.
And we've been very happy.
Yeah.
And I know there's a 2-year kind of defects period. We haven't found one yet.
Yeah, there you are. That says everything, doesn't it?
Well, the quality of the fixtures, the fittings, the things you use every day, opening, closing doors and things, nothing fails. We were downsizing from a 4-bedroom place down to, it's just the two of us now. Our children are grown up. And funny enough, I say grown up, my daughter's also bought a Pearce Home here at Tor Wharf.
Well, there you are. Well, there you go. In the family, Pearce through and through.
So, well, funny enough, actually, now that she's even considering buying her second Pearce Home now.
So she's selling a Pearce Home and buying another. Wow. Well.
Yeah. So there's she's been in a Pearce Home longer than I have.
Yeah.
And I think Pearce of that size, they've been around for 40 years now. They've got a good, solid local reputation.
Yeah.
They've got good management of their trades and their staff.
Yeah.
Hence, you have a quality product.
Yeah.
From a personal point of view, when I'm overseeing or involved in it is that what's really happening on site. And that's one thing with the Pearce Homes, and why I would always kind of recommend them, is because I know that quality is embedded.
Yeah.
Tell you what, in 12 months, 14 months down the line, yeah, we both couldn't be happier.
Yeah.
So it's worked out very, very well. The fuel bills are good.
Yeah.
And going forward, there is the simple ability of moving to solar battery thing. You know,
really want to.
It's adaptable.
Yeah.
It's really good. We're not having any more children, so I don't need to worry about.
Don't need any
extra
more space.
Like I say, I bought a house of a reasonable size that allows me to work from home as well.
Yeah.
So it's great.
Lovely.
Absolutely delighted with our choice, really.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much indeed for listening. And yes, the market, there is plenty for sale, but at Webber's, our valued clients, Pearce, have 3 excellent schemes, of which there are still properties available here, Tor Wharf, Buckland Brewer, and also Market Gardens. So please contact our Torrington, Bideford, or New Homes department in Barnstaple, and we'd be very pleased to take you over to any one of those lovely properties. Thanks very much indeed for listening.